paradise that is Reunion Island, I felt the need to connect with nature. My meditation guide, Claire, filled me in on the volcano we were headed for.
The volcano, the Piton de la Fournaise, is a very active, most active volcano in the world. It's a shield volcano, so not very dangerous.
As well as a rather interesting exercise we would undertake on arrival.
You have to hold the hand of the other person, have to lead her because she closed her eye. Also to improve your trust in yourself, in your body.
So Claire, we're here on the lovely volcano. Time to do some meditation, engage with nature and just understand more about where we are and be more mindful of what we're doing.
So I have to present a little bit meditation. Mindfulness is paying attention on purpose in the present and without judgment on ourselves and our thoughts. And this method, very old method, it's a good way to be more relaxed, to enjoy more our lives and be more in our body too. So it's a good medicine too for our head and our body.